season this year with coach changes. How do you think that this affected the team game?
I don't think it's affect us at all. I think we have a new coach. He comes with a lot of energy and maybe a new viewpoint of how we're gonna play. But I just think that the whole point in this is we have the same goal as we started, is to be here in Final Four and to win the whole thing, and that hasn't changed. Either it's with Pat or someone else. It's the same goal as we started.
Your opponent in the semi-final, Georg, also had problem with injuries. What do you think will be decisive tomorrow?
We'll see. The best team will win. It's as easy as that, and I hope we have a good day tomorrow and everything will go our way.
We all know that this will be Vardar last season and last chance to win the Champions League. Do you think that this will be motivation plus for the Macedonian team?
Absolutely, it can be. But I don't think they have more motivation than the others team to win.
What are your personal plans after this season?
I'm gonna be in Romania. That's the plan, and I feel good in Romania.